Hello, friends. How are you all? CBSE has released the revised syllabus for the academic year 2020-21, and I am here with the revised syllabus of accountancy for grade 12. Let us see what is in there for you all. Syllabus of 2020-21 on the left hand side and the revised syllabus for the academic year 2020-21 on the right hand side. Now, let us compare both the syllabus and see what all are the changes there in the revised syllabus. Okay, let's start with part A, accounting for not-for-profit organization, partnership firms and companies. So, unit 1, financial statements of not-for-profit organization. So, in this unit, there is no change. You need to study the entire chapter, all the concepts. So, there is no change in this unit. So, let us go to the second unit. Unit 2, accounting for partnership firms. This is the unit where majority of the changes are there. So, let us start with each topic. So, first topic is partnership basic fundamentals. In that topic or in that chapter, there is no changes. All the topics are there in that chapter. So next comes goodwill, nature and valuation. From that chapter also you need to learn everything. Everything is there. There is no change in the revised syllabus also. Next, third chapter is change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. In this chapter also there is no change. It remains the same. Next comes admission of a partner. So there is a major change in this chapter. You can see in the old syllabus I have highlighted the topic which is not there as per the revised syllabus for you all. So that is adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of balance sheet. So this concept or this topic is not there for you in your revised syllabus of 2020-21. So no need of doing this topic. Next is retirement and death of a partner. Here also there are some changes. Again, you can see the highlighted portion, adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of loan account of the retiring partner. So these two topics are removed as per the revised syllabus of 2020-21. And if you see the other topic, that is death, again here preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account. Again, this is removed as per the revised syllabus of 2020-21. So all the highlighted part or the syllabus in the old syllabus of 2020-21 are the removed topic. Next is dissolution of partnership. It remains the same. Now you can see in the revised syllabus it is clearly mentioned excluding memorandum balance sheet. So no need of doing memorandum balance sheet. I have underlined that. That is according to the new syllabus. So excluding memorandum balance sheet. So dissolution of partnership, you need to learn excluding memorandum balance sheet. Other than that, there is no changes. It remains the same. Next is our unit 3, accounting for companies. So in this unit, first topic is accounting for share capitals. No change in this topic or in this chapter. Next is debentures. Debentures, there is one change. Redemption of debentures is not there at all. Redemption of debentures, lump sum debentures, draw of lots, creation of DRR, all these things are not there as per the revised syllabus 2020-21. So no need of doing redemption of debentures for this academic year. So these are the changes. And then analysis of financial statement. This is your part B. In the entire part B, there is no change. It remains the same. And now you can have the highlight of 2020 revised syllabus, project work. From 2020-21, all the accounting students have to do only one specific project. No more 3 projects. It's only one project what you have to do. It's according to the revised syllabus. Let us sum up the changes. See, these are the topics deleted from the academic year 2020-21. From admission of a partner, capital adjustment is removed and preparation of balance sheet. From retirement of a partner, again capital adjustment and preparation of loan account for the retiring partner is removed. Then from death of a partner, preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account has been removed. Then from debentures, the entire chapter of redemption of debentures has been removed. And then the highlight is students have to do only one specific project. So these are the changes as per the revised syllabus of the academic year 2020-21 for accountancy grade 12.
Okay, I hope it is helpful for you all. So keep learning, stay healthy, stay fit. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.